What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about the first and second part of lists, and today we're gonna talk about the final parts of lists like insert, pop, count, sort method in Python lists. At first, let's take a look insert method. For example, we set a list 1 equals 100 and 200, and we use insert method to insert 115 to item 1 and print it. Yeah, you can see it shows 100, 115 and 200. And let's go on and take a look. Delete. For example, we set a list J equals J U P I T E R, and we delete list J item 3 and we print it. Yeah, as you can see, it shows JUPTER and I is deleted, and we delete list J and print list J. Yeah, you can see it shows name error because we delete J, so name list J is not defined. Alright, let's go on and take a look. Remove. We set a list N equals N A R N S, and we use remove method list M remove A, and we print list A. Yeah, as you can see, it shows MRS. The element A is removed, and we can also use pop method list M pop the item 1 0 1. The item 1 is R. And we use clear method yeah, as you can see, we use clear method to clear list, and list M becomes an empty list. Alright, let's go on and take a look at another method in list. We set a list B equals 200, 100, 315, 300 and 300. At first, we use index method. For example, As you can see, the 300 is 0, 1, 2, 3, and we use count method. It shows 2 because there are 2 of 300 in the list. Alright, we use sort method. It is still a sort rank list, but it's reversed. Alright, today we have talked about the final parts of list, such as insert, pop, clear, reverse, sort method in list. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.